fuck? Stop playing. Shake your head, shake your head. Shake your head, shake your head. Not your head, not your head. Yeah.
Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Like I said before, I can install Avatarify anywhere you are around the world. You don't need to, just only need to install any desk on your PC. So, and as you can see here, I'm installing Avatarify for someone now in Ghana. All you just need is any desk and I will get it done for you. Okay, the files are all downloaded, so let's try it out now. just selected the camera, so it should be coming up now. Just to calibrate on the just put your face, then press S. The thing dead there. The thing dead there already. It's already there. Just S to calibrate. The thing needs ring light. Just put your face for that red this thing now, then ask. Yeah, don't press it.
Okay, so guys, as you can see, Avatarify has been successful installed for the person. So like I said, you can DM to install yours now. So okay, so I have many other amazing apps I'll soon be dropping on the channel, my channel. So this time around, you don't require a graphics system to run software like Avatarify. Your Core i5 normal Intel graphics PC can run it. So you can DM if you don't have high dedicated graphics laptop, so you need Avatarify installed. I can install it for you, run it for you through Avatarify Collab. I also have other software, amazing software just like Avatarify that doesn't require high dedicated graphics. So you can just DM on WhatsApp, and I'll give you a video of the stuff and show you how to run it. Show you how the thing works. Then I also install it for you through any desk. I also have a video voice change app I'll soon be dropping on my channel. So subscribe on my YouTube channel for more videos that's coming up. So I'll be dropping a video on voice changing app. I'll be dropping that video soon. You can change your voice to any female voice you want. Like voice changing software. I'm still been dropping videos, so you can join my Telegram channel for more apps. I'll be dropping 2 on my Telegram channel. So any software you need. I also be dropping a video on deepfacelive. How to train model. I can also train models for you, any model you want. I can also train it and to give it a perfect result. So that's it, guys. Within the week, I should be dropping at least 2 videos on 2 amazing softwares you guys didn't know. So also keep watching. You see a sharp, amazing RTS 40 series laptop we have available at a very dope rate. So we offer payment or delivery on Southeast Nigeria, then Lagos and Rivers. So anywhere you are here, you can. If you need any of, we have high dedicated graphics laptops available. So you can also do payment or delivery on Southeast, Imo, Ebonyi State, Abia State, Anambra, and Lagos, and Rivers. We do payment or delivery. So boy, you are in Onitsha, Anambra, you can just meet us up in our office at Onitsha. So thanks guys. Thanks for watching.